economista britânico Tim Jackson veio ao Brasil em novembro para lançar o seu livro Prosperidade sem crescimento. O livro foi definido pelo jornal britânico The Guardian como um dos livros mais importantes da década e tem a sua edição brasileira feita pelo selo Planeta Sustentável. O economista britânico recebeu o brasileiro Ricardo Abramovay, professor de economia da USP, e o economista indiano Pavan Sukhdev.
Why did I write this book? I think because as someone who had worked on environmental problems for 25 years, I kept coming back to the economics. I kept coming back to the economic system itself. I kept coming back to the fundamental challenge that the economic system depends on growth, depends on increasing constantly. And to me, as an environmentalist, as someone with an understanding of an ecology, I was challenged by this idea that on a finite planet, it was possible to grow and grow and grow forever. And to have, for example, in 2050, 9 billion people all aspiring to have not just the same amount of stuff that we all have at the moment, but more and more and more of it. And fascinated as an economist also as to why this had to be the case, why an economy has to grow forever. Of course it has to meet the needs of its people. Of course in the poorest countries in the world there is an absolute need for growth. And when you look at the evidence, as I did when I started to write the book, you find very quickly that it is in these poorest countries that growth makes a difference. Income growth in the poorest nations improves education, it improves life expectancy, it reduces infant mortality, it even makes people measurably happier. And you can see all the statistics, and it all absolutely happens in that growth of incomes in the poorest places in the world. And then after a time, it tails off. The benefits of growth begin to diminish in terms of human well-being. You don't see the same increase in life expectancy, you don't see the same increase in education, you see some diminution in the quality of life because as you grow, you're undermining the quality of the environment. And as you grow also, you're relying on the creation of a kind of consumer culture. And I suppose, aside from my interest as an ecologist and my interests as an economist, I had an interest as a human being as to why we should have ever thought that human beings are fundamentally consumers, that having more and more actually is better for us, makes us happier.